Hello, tutor mate from the course Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I want to share with you guys my final task of Unit 3, Task 5 Materials and Lesson Planning. And this is about two lessons plans I have designed in order to uh, share with you when it comes to designing a class for adults and also for adolescents. So I want to show you here an insight of what my lesson plan look like. So and here I have it even in a better condition. So let's start with this one. This is a lesson plan I have decided for let's say adults and on a C1 level. This is about speaking, and the topic is about saving money. The main objectives in this activity is to talk about money and spending habits, since adults are in a position to know where does the money go. So that's why I think they're in a position to speak about it. It's gonna be like about 10 minutes. We're gonna need a board and a couple of markers, and the warm up will be like the teacher is gonna ask students questions about money and spending. Then the teacher is going to ask students the following question: Where does your money go? And students answer the question and explain their reasons about it. This is quite simple. On the presentation, the teacher shares the students a video about some spending habits. After watching the video, the teacher points out the importance of having good money habits. So this is what I'm going to need is a YouTube link where the video is, and it's about 3.50 seconds. So sorry, let me I'm sorry, the correction is the video is about almost 4 minutes in length. So let me show you the video. Just play a little bit more. So what the video is about. So yeah, I take this from Zombie TV and the book Zombie One, and this is the topic I really want to discuss with my student. I'm a little bit about money, about saving money. So I want to share a little bit about what the video is.
Tell me a little bit about you and money, whether you're good at saving or can you save for something special? Do you just blow all your money as soon as you have it?
Well, when I was growing up in India, my parents were, very open and free with money. So if I wanted something, they would say, okay, you can go ahead and take this. And I think that spoiled me a little bit because I would just, whatever I wanted, I'd take the money and go buy it. And I didn't really realize the...
So that's what the video is going to tell us about. So in this case, this is what I want to do in order to assess the students with a C1 level. So in order to know the importance of money, and they are in a position to discuss about it. Then in the practice, the students are going to agree or disagree with the statement on the video. They're going to take notes. For later practice, it's going to take about 20 minutes. And lastly, and the production activity, we're going to focus on write down on a piece of paper, especially students, the ways for them to start spending money wisely. From now on, they will write down the progress from about 150 and to 200 words in length. They're going to need a sheet of paper and a pencil, and it is going to take them about 20 minutes. And the post assignment and a similar topic, the teacher will ask students to think about ideas to get richer, and the teacher will do this in a class debate. So now I want to share with you, my friends, my second lesson plan, which is about also for adolescent C1 levels. In this case, the skill I'm going to provide is writing. The topic is that the student will write about preferences related to living in a city or like the countryside. So there, it's about preferring, having a choice. The objective is to write the preferences the student have when choosing a place to live. For this, we're going to use a board, and it's going to take about 7 minutes while the teachers ask the students to ask the students some questions about the places to live, whether the countryside, the mountains, the sea, I don't know, yeah, a lot of places, in a crowded places, in a cozy place, and students are going to start stating their preference when it comes to living in a place. In the presentation, we have that the teacher writes down on the board the following statement, and after this statement, the students are going to start thinking about brainstorming ideas to write down the essay about selecting their preference of the choice, whether to live in the countryside or in the city. The statement goes like this. Some people like to live in a city. Others like to live in the countryside. I want to read it again. Some people like to live in a city. Others like to live in the countryside. Which one do you prefer? Give reasons and examples to support your answers. Students write down the statement on a piece of paper. For this, the materials we're going to need are board, sheet of paper, and pencils. It's going to take about 5 minutes. The practice will be that the student will write on a piece of paper the preference when it comes to picking a place to live. They must write about 200 to 300 words and enter in the statement. For this, they're going to need a sheet of paper and a pencil, and it's going to take about 3 minutes in length. After that, the students in the production section, the students are going to start writing on a piece of paper the reason to select a place to live. It's going to take them 25 minutes, and as a post activity, the teacher will have the students to write about working in groups or individually. The student will be reinforcing writing on a daily basis, and once more about talking preferences. So these have been my 2 lessons plan for adolescent in the level C1. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much. Thanks for watching.